Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Seller Central account is active and policy compliant because Amazon enforces returns. Once done, check the product category rules and clear restrictions. Some categories prohibit no return language. Next, open Seller Central, go to Settings, and pick Return Settings or Policies. You will prepare the specific ASIN or SKU to change. Make sure you have a clear commercial reason and documentation. This first action prevents immediate rejections and sets you up to make a targeted policy change rather than guessing. Now you make the change. In Seller Central, choose Return Settings and either edit a global policy or create a product-specific policy. Select the ASIN or SKU, choose the option to not accept returns if the platform permits, and add a concise business justification in the policy note. Explain the how. Amazon evaluates safety, condition, and legal requirements, so mark no returns, only for sealed, non-refundable goods or custom-made items. Save the policy and apply it to the listed items immediately to update buyer-facing info. Finish by confirming the listing shows the updated return terms to buyers because transparency reduces disputes. Once applied, monitor the returns dashboard, buyer messages, and any A to Z claim activity. Make sure you respond promptly. If Amazon rejects the change, review the denial reason, attach supporting documentation, and resubmit or open a case with seller support. One key troubleshooting tip: if buyers still can return, double-check fulfillment channel rules. Fulfillment by Amazon often overrides seller return settings and requires different steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.